Hello all my friends, welcome to my channel One Life One Dream. Myself Shovan Bodhak. Today 4th October 2020 and I am going for a monthly meet of my group named Wolf 10. Now 7 am in the morning and I am a bit late. Crossing all the hurdles of roadblock, finally I am reached second flyover. Now I am crossing second flyover. I will take a Kona Express highway till Palla Toll Plaza as my group was voting over there for me. So finally I reached my destination at the Damodar river bank of Palla Road, and after crossing Palla Toll Plaza I met with my group and all the riders over there. They already reached the destination and I used to stay back for clicking some pics, and right now I am at Damodar river bank of Palla Road. See this awesome view with a beautiful sky. আপনারা আমাদের পেছনে আমার পেছনে দেখতেই হবে কি অসম ভিউ। আমার বাইক, এনফিল্ড, আমার মেশিন, জাস্ট ভিউটা অসম। So finally we are leaving this place, Damodar river bank, and we are heading towards our home Kolkata. So we decided to do a breakfast over some dhaba at highway, and the place was pretty awesome. Breakfast has been done and now we are heading towards our home Kolkata. The roads and the weather was pretty awesome, and the Damodar river bank was fantastic, fabulous place. So if you enjoy this video, do like this video, share this video, and comments what should I improve in my video. So till then, bye bye, see you in next vlog. Signing off.